Guys, gals, it is time for some viewer mail. My name is Luke. Welcome to this episode of the Outdoor Gear Review. So I have multiple packages here. One of them I've already opened just to this point here. I actually don't know what this is, but my curiosity did get the best of me and I opened it somewhat. So I cannot scream what's in the box right now. Now this package comes from my good buddy Nick. In the bottom here we have some funky Folgers instant coffee. So the letter goes on to say, "Dear Luke, here are some really cool items that I've been saving for you. The black bag is a rope bag. It can hold up to 350 feet of nylon rope." Sweet. He uses this in his line of work as a rescue kit. He says that the Funky Folgers is so much better than the Taster's Nasty. Nick and Melissa, you guys are great. Thank you so much. So, let's see what's in here. This is a pretty cool little bag. Not sure exactly what brand it is or anything. You know, it has compression straps, some Velcro, some metal rings on it. Okay. Ah, sweet. A Hazard 4 bag. This may be my very first Hazard product. I'm trying to think. Do I have any others? I don't think so. Excellent. I might have to do a pouches video concerning this. Knee pads. Wow, those are sweet. Very, very lightweight. Very cushiony. Very soft. That's awesome. Okay, so next up, we have the Tenacious Work Gear pouch. That's pretty neat. You have the window right here. That is a really awesome pouch. Guys, I will definitely do a video on this here. Check out the size of this carabiner. Woo-ha! Oh yes. Very nice, very nice. Nick and Melissa, thank you guys so much. I really do appreciate this. All of these items I will put to use here with the channel. Yeah. I like your idea of using this for a compression sack for the patrol sleeping bag. That's a great idea. Thank you, thank you, thank you. The question is Folgers better than Taster's Nasty? I don't know. I don't know. We may have to have a versus episode. Next up, one package, 2 letters. All of these are from my good buddy, Adam. We'll start here with the letters. Apologize for the wind noise. It is a breezy day. Dear Luke and family, awesome handwriting, buddy. He wanted to say thank you for what I do. The YouTube videos have helped pick him up, get the right gear, go camping, all that good stuff. He says, yes, every time that I yawn, he yawns as well. That's awesome. This video has put positive vibes back into his life. Man, thank you so much, buddy. I really do appreciate that. That makes me feel good. Enjoy the coffee drawing. Laugh out loud. Taster's Nasty. Oh yeah. That is super, super funny. I am going to hold on to this forever. And because of this awesome drawing, I did send Adam a patch. So buddy, I hope you enjoy that. Let's move to the next letter real quick. Very, very cool. I'll keep that one to myself. Okay. Now we have the package that was from Adam. So the letter says, Dear Luke, for all of your kindness, I wanted to get you, Susie, and Lucas a gift. He said that he needed some kindness in his life, and he'll never be able to say thank you enough for everything without sounding like a broken record. Man, you're welcome. You deserve it. I appreciate you, buddy, and thank you. Alright, so what we have here are some waterproof gloves. Cool color, I like that. You got the right size, amigo. Perfect. Might have to use these later on this year when I'm kayaking with you all with a future overnight adventure. Don't tell anyone. That is really, really neat. Thank you so much. Here's the gift from Adam. Oh yeah, that's pretty. I'm guessing that's for Susie. I'm guessing that the wolf here, that is for me, right? Lone wolf. And we have a moon here for Lucas. That is so cool. Adam, my friend, thank you so much. You are appreciated. You know, guys, viewers, gals, whatever, everybody is appreciated here. We never take anyone for granted. The letters, the cards, the comments, the emails, the messages on Facebook. We are very, very blessed to have good viewers like yourselves. So, Nick, Melissa, Adam, thank you guys. Thank you guys. Next up, we have this box right here, and this is from Alex, also known as Alpha Whiskey 47. What the heck is in this box, man? Now, since I haven't opened this one, I can say, what's in the box? Knife porn. Oh, yeah. Let's start in the bottom, shall we? My wife is always saying to me, why did you open this or that this way? And my answer is, I don't know. It just seemed right. There's all sorts of goodies in here. First off, your handwriting is absolutely amazing. I'm so jealous. Seriously. Hey guys. Let's see. Hope you're all doing well. The packageer has been sitting in his man cave for months. Man, I'd love to see a picture of your man cave. I don't know if that's possible. If you can email me a picture of it, I'd love to see it. I always love to see what guys come up with, you know? Thank you so much, buddy. You are appreciated as well. Let's start with this right here. I peeled the tape off, but secretly I wanted to cut this thing. I think I need to sharpen that blade. What do you guys think? This is an entire camera kit. So we have some straps. We have a micro card reader. So this is like some sort of action camera. Wow. Dude, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. I will have to use this on that kayaking overnight adventure that I alluded to earlier. So Alex said that he had won this in some sort of auction and had no idea how to use it. So next up we have Food for Patriots. 72-hour food supply. Long-term food survival solution created by Patriots for Patriots. I think I may have heard of this company on Coast to Coast or something like that. Patriot Pantry. So this includes some potato soup, some chicken rice, and some oatmeal. 8 servings, 4 servings, 4 servings. That is really, really awesome. Dang, man. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You all definitely know how to make me feel appreciated for everything that I do here with the channel. You guys are worth it. I love having the interaction with you all. I love sharing the adventures. Speaking of which, I know there has been a dry period in regards to the adventures. The last one that I put up was back in July, and I simply have had no time to shoot anymore. But that's going to change. Daughter's gone. The gear room is almost ready. Almost. That's my last little thing. And then it will be on like Donkey Kong Adventures every couple of weeks. So everyone, thank you so much. You guys are all so appreciated. I cannot say thank you enough, but thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Everyone take care, strength and honor. Thank you for making my day. See you guys around.